Okay, so what we are doing in the sketching part is basically, first of all, we have to think that what we are using. We are using a motor driver. Why we are using a motor driver? We can use a rail, we can use a transistor, but I only had a motor driver, so we are using motor driver can do the same thing. Okay, so for motor driver, although it have four input pin and four output pin, okay, but we are using its two output and two input pin. Why we are using motor driver and not putting the pump uh, in the Arduino itself? It is because the pump need and out source of the energy. Arduino can't provide enough voltage to the motor to work properly. So that's why we are using the battery, external battery, and to be able to use external battery, we are using motor driver. Okay, but here we have only we need one input and one output, so we will use only two pins of the motor drive. Okay, so the first we of course initialize the things. It's like two input pins, 2 and 3. Then buzzer pin I will assign 4, and LED pin I will assign LED pin I will assign 4, and buzzer pin I will assign 5. Okay. Now then we comes to the telling part that what the things are. All the things are output. We are not taking any input. Means we are taking input, but not here for the Arduino purpose. Okay. Then after that, we will then initialize the things. It's like we initialize LED, buzzer pin, motor driver, both pins, low, 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 low. Okay. Then we comes to the main loop. Okay. What I was saying in the model building part, that we have given 0 for no fire and 1 for fire. Okay. So here, if the command equal to 1, is like when our Python script give 1, that means there is a fire. So in the case of fire, what we will do is like we will turn the motor driver input 1 high and 2 will be low. This will rotate the motor. Is like as pump or is contain a motor. Okay, its motor will be rotating. It's like if you turn it reverse, it will rotate in reverse direction, but it is a pump, so it don't matter in which direction you are running it. Okay, so you can do it in any direction. After that, we will buzzer pin will be high, that alert there is a fire. Water and alert is all, both are done, but LED pin will be low, that because it is a safety LED. Okay, and there is no safety when there is fire, so it will be low. Okay, and in the second case, when command equal to 0, then our LED pin will be high, safety pin will be high, and motor driver board pin will be low. That's why the motor will not work, and the buzzer pin will also be low. So this was the concept of the sketch. Let's go to the Python script in the next part of the documentation. Thank you.